Tata BlueScope Steel's advanced manufacturing facilities feature cutting-edge machinery for superior precision and quality. Let's witness the crimping process. Profile sheet is fed into a crimping machine, which applies controlled pressure to create small, consistent indentations at regular intervals across the sheet. The crimping machine has adjustable rollers to manage crimp depth, spacing, and alignment, ensuring the sheet curves as desired. This process adds strength to the sheet, allowing it to withstand wind loads and other environmental factors better, as well as adds flexibility to the sheet, making it easier to mold and bend for architectural applications that enhances a building's visual appeal.